This is the third week of Nate's Forge. It's fourth. This is the fourth week of Nate's Forge. We're going to be making a swan this week. Hope you enjoy. Hopefully you'll see some of the swans. I needed some inspiration, so that's what I'm making. Because the ground's so bouncy, you can't get power down on the anvil. It's a little bit, it's gonna take a while.
Everything that happens now is happening now. What happened then? Past that. When? Just now. We're at now.
Love how they curl up. We tried to do that.
Just
burner is literally off my bike. You can even see the code. This is sandstone!
Yep.
That's all I know about it. Forgot to bring the swan up with me, so here is the finished swan. I'm gonna cut it in the video. I really enjoyed making the little swan for you guys. If you'd like to win it, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and give me a wee comment on my YouTube video, and then I'll enter you into the draw, which would be awesome. You don't have to say anything, just say that, I don't know, you like swans, or you jumped into a pond once. Something cool like that.